So today I'm going to talk a little bit about my motorcycle and how I prep it to ride and some of the mods I've done for integrated riding. Make it a little more easier to ride, user-friendly, more comfortable to ride, and some of the different things I've done to make it easier to navigate, communicate, and more pleasurable, more fun. So we've gone over some of the different riding reviews, two up, some of the different modifications I've done, such as my fairing, stage 3 kit, and dyno numbers. So please go ahead and like my videos if you like them, subscribe if you want, and we'll put some more out. Hopefully you like them. Some of the different helmet setups I use riding my motorcycle. I don't ride anything less than a 3/4 helmet. I actually like riding with full face, but when the weather's really nice, I don't mind a 3/4 helmet. Makes it a little more comfortable. You can actually see great visibility. My passenger usually rides with a HJC full face. My favorite helmet, most comfortable, is a Torx that I have. The reason I like this throwback style is not for the looks, which is pretty cool, in my opinion. They call it the Tron Americana, I believe is what it is. But this huge opening has great visibility, and why that's good is not only can you see everything, but there's been some great statistics that show that when a oncoming vehicle or other vehicles can actually see your eyes, you're much less likely to get in an accident or people to hit you. And this one, I notice people looking me in the eyes and the face more than any other helmet that I have. So it's a safety feature, looks kind of cool in my opinion, and it's comfortable for riding. But what I find myself riding with more nowadays than ever is another Torx. I think it's called the T20 or T15. Reason I got it mainly is it has Bluetooth built-in integrated. The color scheme is very similar, as you can see, but it's Bluetooth integrated. Not quite as comfy. It does have the built-in visor. Let me grab that. So you can see that come down. HJC has that as well too. Not quite as comfy. The Bluetooth is marginally okay. I use it mainly for a little bit of music, and at full speed you can kind of hear the music pretty good. Not great for phone calls if you have anything less than a full fairing. One more thing I did want to mention about the Torque in my riding is I do ride with adjustable earpieces. The company is made by Earpiece. They have adjustable middles there. You can change those out to see how much sound that you want to go through there. Just a good idea to ride with earpieces. It doesn't affect the sound in the Bluetooth helmet. The Torque helmet, the Bluetooth lasts for maybe 8 hours or so of riding music. Syncs right up with my iPhone, and charging takes maybe a couple hours. So that's one of the things I wanted to mention about it. So not too bad there. So on my bike, first thing that you notice is my Bluetooth mount, or my phone mount. I put it behind my fairing, and it worked really good. And I'll get a picture of what actually the phone looks like right there. Now, as promised, here is my phone setup. I got my Harley Davidson app set up. I like to get my miles down. There's navigation, and just say I'm gonna go for a ride, and you can see navigation sitting right there. So that's what it looks like. I got my GoPro set up, all set up. We'll see what that looks like. And this is the view from where I sit. And you can see your speed right there without having to push your head down like this to look at your speed. And navigation goes right to Bluetooth, so you can hear it and see it really easily. And as you notice, there's a USB cable right here, or iPhone FireWire cable, and I plumbed it down, hit it a little bit, and it comes right to the charging port right here. So I zip tied it, put it up the frame, up the wire here, piggyback this wire, and integrate it so it's out of the way and it sits right where the phone sits. So it's pretty nice. And then today I also put on a mount for a GoPro style video. So I'm going to try and get a GoPro video. So instead of being behind the plexiglass, which gets wiggly when you video, we'll try GoPro. We'll go for a ride here in a bit. Again, subscribe and like if you enjoy these videos. I'll leave comments if you want something different.